Tony, I'm still puzzled by what you just said to me. Like, she show you proof? You see one picture, she showed me a picture with she and me in my hospital when me a baby, and a picture of my grandmother.
And you recognize who they on the picture? You recognize your grandmother, you recognize your mother?
Because I know my grandmother. Remember say me and girls home from me at 16 and my grandmother dead when me at 15. But I never see no picture with my mother. I only know my baby picture them and some I believe. Say me that when me a baby.
Sonia, this a baffle me. How you are managed though? Cause you say she just turn up and say she your mother.
I'm confused. I don't know what to believe.
Alright, so separate and apart from she tell you say she your mother and she show you, she not say nothing else to you?
I ask her about my father though.
We just gotta ask you what about your father?
She tell me say my father committed suicide.
Why your mother would have make you feel like she did?
That are the story what have my head confused. My mother was a helper in a Masu house.
What? Masu? The woman who were arrested for the human trafficking ring?
You see why I feel how I feel now? Remember when me and Whisper got investigate Masu? She said me look familiar.
Oh. That's why she takes such a liking to you. She could have make you one of her victim, you know, T. Wow. But explain something to me. You say your father. Oh, how that go? Explain. Your father get involved with your mother. Explain to me.
My mother get pregnant for Masu's husband. And Masu that threatened to kill my mother and me when in her belly.
She say your father commit suicide. She tell you why?
She threatened to expose him and take away everything from him. He could deal with that. And I saw him commit suicide and shot himself in the head in front of my mother and in front of Masu.
So what she do? Go in hiding?
Yeah. Until my mother gave birth to me, she left me with my grandmother. Until my grandmother could tell me, say, my parents dead in a car crash.
See, this is a whole heap for your digest, you know.
I the same thing myself.
But here woman I want you to do. I don't want you to take this as face scared. I want you to be very cautious.
No. But my question is, why no?
My sentiments exactly. Because she just turn up out of the shadows. To make you know that she's alive. It's strange. It's puzzling.
She claims her conscience about her. But me I wait and see.
After you go through a girl's home, you go through a traumatic relationship with your man, you come now and run your shop, have a good relationship, mother appear.
She claims for say she don't want no promise. She just want to build a bond. So I take her number and she take mine. So let's see what will happen.
I want you to be careful and keep your eyes open. Okay?
Oh no. May I leave now? So I must start up the shop?
No, make it stay open.
Alright. Hold on there.
You sure you can manage for the rest of the evening?
Yeah, I can manage.
Remember what I said. Keep the eye open. Anything at all you need, you know I am always here.